Good morning, Longhorn Classic here. It is Thursday, October 27th. We are in Iowa Park, Texas, just outside of Wichita Falls. It is our 75-mile toss. As you can see, we're in a cemetery. They seem to be good locations to let go for us. Anyway, it is 52 degrees. There is a southeast wind of 10 to 13 miles an hour. So this is really going to make the birds work today. Tomorrow, birds are going to rest because they got some weather coming in. So good luck to everybody. Should have a good toss today. They did really good yesterday at 55 miles. Okay, I'm going along the freeway, going through Henrietta, and I see the birds on the side of the freeway. Here you can see them right here. They're low to the ground. Maybe you can see them come up. Anyway, I'm at a rest stop just ahead of them. See how low they are to the ground? No wonder why they hit stuff. All right, we're here. I was guessing the birds would be here at 9:56. And I think it's slightly after that. Here's the first group. Come on.